Hey guys, so welcome back to my video. In this particular video, I'm gonna show you a very simple thing, of course, with your money tag. So what you're actually gonna do is by relinking our own website to our money tag account, so you can generate a lot of traffic using our money tag. Now the question here is, if you don't have a website or if you don't have a blog, don't worry at all, because in this particular video, I'm actually going to show you a very simple strategy. You can build a blog or a website for yourself, a very simple one, of course, and then link it with your Monetag account. And at the end of the day, you're actually going to make some cool cash with your Monetag account together with your blog or your website as well. Now, the first thing you need to do is just go to my channel, or the case currently channel you're watching the video on, which is Mr. Henry. Please go ahead and subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like the video, and also leave a nice comment. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content like this. Now, what all I do is to make money with you guys, and apart from that, I don't do anything else. All right. So if you're interested in AdStera, Monetag, Hilltop Ad, Propeller Ads, and many more, or how to make money online, just go ahead and subscribe and just turn on notification bell. Just as simple as that. Also, there is a link to my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel. Of course, just join me out there, because I used to teach a lot of stuff that YouTube doesn't allow me to teach it on their platform. All right, so just join me on this Telegram and WhatsApp group, and let's all cash out together. Now, the first you need to do is to actually have a money tag account. Now, if you don't have a money tag account, don't worry, of course, just go to your browser, type in money tag, and just use the first link, and also go ahead to where it says sign up or the login, and just proceed from there. So at this session, it says sign up or log in, and just click on it. Now, once you click on it, it's going to show you that to register as an advertiser or a publisher. Now, if you have to register as an advertiser, that means you're going to promote an offer, or you're going to look for an offer elsewhere and promote it. But if you have to register as a publisher, that means you're actually going to promote the direct link, or you're going to link a direct link to your website or your blog to your website, and many more as well. So the one which is actually gonna fit to you is the publisher for now. So just sign in as a publisher and you're good to go. Now once you click on the sign up button, I already have an account, so it's gonna direct me to my page already. So this is my demo account, as you can see on the screen. All right. So I have zero balance here. Of course, I don't usually show my real balance in the nowadays the videos that I've been producing, right? Yeah, so I'm actually gonna always show my blank account just like this for my video sake, right? So you can make money with your website. You can also make money with your direct link. Now, today's video, we are actually gonna focus on our site or our website. All right. So now we have our website. You can see I have two websites here. One have been verified and one have not yet been verified, because I was just trying how the system is actually gonna make through this particular video, right? I'm actually going to show you everything you have to know on verifying your own account on Monetag, and also use this same strategy to start making money with your Monetag account. All right, very simple, of course. Now, what you actually gonna do is just go to your blog or your browser and just click on the blogger.com. All right. So this is the blogger.com, of course. Now, if you don't know how to create it, what you're actually gonna do is just go to your browser and just type in blogger. All right, blogger.com. Right, blogger.com. Just type in blogger.com, blogger website. And you're actually gonna have something like this on the screen, right? Now, what you're actually gonna do, just click on that, and then it's gonna take you to the next page where it's gonna actually tell you to create an account for free. Now, creating an account on blog is as easiest as anything. Yeah, so it's very easy for you to create an account. Just log in with your Gmail or your email account, then you're good to go. It's automatically gonna take you to this place. You're not going to answer any questions, which will be much complicated for you. Yes. Now, once you're at this session, come to this aspect here, and which says, I have two actual blogs here. So I created this particular blog in the year 2024. So I just created as how to make money online. All right. So let's try to view this particular blog and see how it looks like. Right. So I just created it as how to make money online. All right. So this is how it's we're actually looking at. So let's scroll down and see how it looks like. So yeah, how to make money online. So this is what I created, I think 2024, and it's kind of very simple, of course. Yeah, so yeah, it's not more engaging, but it's kind of very simple, of course, but we can do much better than this using blogger.com. Yes. So what you're actually gonna do, let's go back and show you what you're actually gonna do. So what you're actually gonna do, you just come to this section, click on new blog. All right, once you click on new blog, just type in the title of your blog. So whatever you want to use that blog for, just type in whatever you want to use that blog for. If you want to use for cartoons, let us know that it is a book about cartoons. So whenever you search about cartoons, you know the type of content we are actually referring to if it is your blog. All right, if it is a financial, let us know. So in this particular video, let's say I'm gonna make money tag, let's say money tag tutorial. So let's say money tag tutorial. Just click on next. I'm gonna tell you my address. So let's say money tag tuto, right? So let's say monetize tuto, right? And let's click on the save button. It's going to take time to process it at this session here for us, all right? So we have to patiently wait for a while. Then so it says blog created, right? Now blog has been created. So let's get back and just find it out here. So this is monetize tutorial, right? So you can see the name at this session here, monetize tutorial, right? Now once you click on view blog on monetize tutorial, you can specifically see that there is nothing here. So there is nothing at this session here because there is nothing here. All right. So what you're actually going to do at the end of this particular video, you'll find out that there will be an ad popping up. If this were to be our blog or people were reading blog from this particular website, at the end of this particular video, you'll find out that there are ads running on this particular interface where people will get to click on the ads, and then that ads are people clicking on it is going to generate some cool cash for ourselves, right? Yeah. So if you're actually enjoying this particular video, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's proceed with this particular video. Now once you have this, what you're actually gonna do is just go ahead to click or copy this URL, or copy this HTTPS, and just copy it. All right, just go ahead and copy it. Now once you copy it, just go back to your site, or just go back to your money tag account. Just go to where it says site, click on add site. All right, once you click on add site, just type in or paste in the blog that you recently just copied. All right, now once you're done with that, just go to where it says add site. All right, it's gonna take time for you. Yeah, so now you have something like this. All right, yeah, now once you have something, just scroll down and you can see the verification and also the apply for verification. All right, yeah, so what you're actually gonna do is to just go ahead and click on where it says other options at this section here. But once you click on where it says other options, go ahead and copy this code. All right, go ahead and copy that code. Now once you copy the code, now make sure you get back to your work, or um where it says your blogger tutorial. All right, blogger tutorial. Now come to where it says team, and just click on this icon here, click on edit HTML. All right, once you click on edit HTML, this is what you actually do at this session. Please, you have to take note, else you're gonna get somehow complicated or make some kind of confused out here. Come to this session, click on enter, and just go ahead and then paste in the link at this session. Now, once you paste in like this, we are not mostly done. Now you can see my cursor at this session here. All right, you can see my cursor at this session here. Now shift the cursor to the middle of these two signs and just enter in the slash, let's say the hyphen or whatever. So you say this sign. All right, you can see I've inserting a sign there. So just go ahead and input in that sign and just click on the save out here. Now automatically it's actually going to save. It says update successful. Now if I really enjoyed this particular video, please go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, so just give it a subscription out there. Now once you are done, we are not yet done, because once we visit our view blog here, there is nothing still showing, right? So let me try. There is nothing still showing. All right, I can click on anything and there is nothing still showing. This means we've not yet done with whatever we are actually trying to do with our blog. All right, yeah, so what you're actually going to do here is to just go back to your money tag, right? Just go back to your money tag and let's say And just try to view my money tag here, money tag tutorial, right? And let's get back to our money tag account personally. Now this means we've been able to insert this code in our money tag tutorial. Now note that there are other options. This is for WordPress blog, right? This is a WordPress plugin, and these are some of the files you can insert in other websites that you want to create yourself, or other blogs which are out there, right? Yeah, so the next thing you're gonna do is just apply for verification. Now, this is how you're going to apply for verification. All right. Now, what you're actually going to do is just click on verify. Right now, once you click on verify, it's actually going to take time and then load the system for you. Right. So let's try to wait till it give us what it actually meant to give us. Now, it says that Monetag Tuto Blogspot has been verified. All right. So you can see we've been verified out here. Now, click on the add zone. Now you're actually gonna have this add format here. Now you have the multi-tag all in one. You have one click. This is a propounder. This is a push notification. You have the in page. You have the vigilant banner and mini. So these are type of ad that you want to run on your blogger spots. All right. So any of these you prefer, just go ahead and choose. Now I want to say, let's say I want to choose get multi-tag, just click on it. So you're actually gonna have something like this, right? Now at this sector, this is what you're actually gonna do. You can see that download this JS file and upload it to the root folder of your website, and the other is copy the JS code and paste it into an HTML file after the head tag. So what you're actually gonna do, just click on this icon which says copy. Right, well, now once you copy it, just go back to your work here. Let's say let's get back to our work. Click on the team again. All right, click on the team again, come to this icon here, click on edit HTML. All right, now come to where it says the head and just click on enter, paste it out here, just go ahead and click on save button. Now once you save, it's going to show you update successful. Now this is where our magic starts to work. All right, now come back to your work and just go ahead to where it says view blog. Now once you click on view blog, it's actually going to take time to load the system for you. Now let's take a time and watch what is actually going to happen here. Now let's give a click and see. Right now you can see our ads are working. All right, so you can see, are you interested in crypto? These are some of the ads which have been produced by Monetize. So what you actually need to do is to just feed your blog spot with a content. All right, so you can see it is trying to open a lot of ad for me. You can see these are some of the ads. All right, these are some of the ads that we are likely to see on our blog spot. So once people are giving a clicks on this, you're actually making good use, or you're going to making good money out of it. All right, so you can see it is actually trying to open some ads here. All right, now you can see it basically yourself whilst watching this particular video. So what you're actually going to do, just feed your blog with a content. So if you have to write an article, do that. If you have to post pictures, just do that and share it with a lot of targeted audience out there. You can do it out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and many more. So once people start visiting your blog spot, you've already monetized it with your money tag, and then you're good to go. In this way, you'll be earning a lot of money each and every single day once you start feeding your blog with a content. So this is a very simple thing. Of course, you can try it out there if you have been able to watch this particular video from the beginning to an end. All right. Yeah, so this is a very simple strategy. Of course, I've been using for some period of time. It's actually helping me. So those of us who have been just making comment about how to link your Monetag account to their blog. Finally, this has been done, and then you can go ahead and do so to start making money. Just as simple as that. All right. Now you can come to this session and just monitor. You can come to this session and monitor your statistics of how your blog is actually performing. All right. So at this session, you can see that we used the multi tag, or the multi, yeah, we use the monitor tag. So this means that we are actually showing push notification, pregnant banner, native banner, in push. We are showing all the five ad formats on the platform or on the blog spot, right? We are not just choosing one of them, right? So you can get to know how these art formats are working on your website, which have been automatically verified here, right? So in my next video, I'm actually going to show you a lot of tricks you need to know by making money with your money tag, or how to make money online. So if you've already enjoyed this particular video, please go ahead, subscribe, like it, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to join the WhatsApp and the Telegram channel. Of course, both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Like this particular video, leave a nice comment, and I hope to see you in my next video.